Freedom of movement refers to the right to freedom of movement, includes the freedom to choose a residence in one's own country, and is recognized by the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR, Article 12(1), the American Convention on Human Rights, Article 22, the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, Article 12, and the European Convention for the Protection of Human Rights and Fundamental Freedoms, Article 2. Freedom of movement thus implies protection against forced displacement or relocation, and includes the right to leave one's country. These rights may be restricted by law and under permissible conditions to protect national security, public order, public health, or the rights of others. Dealing with the ICCPR prescription that none can be arbitrarily deprived of the right to enter one's own country, the United Nations Human Rights Committee has emphasized in one of its general comments that this right in effect prohibits expulsion or punishment by exile and a right to return for refugees seeking voluntary repatriation.